today we are making authentic hummus recipe. It's very simple and it's very delicious to eat. For that I have taken 1.5 cup of chickpeas. I've taken some sesame seeds, 1 cup sesame seeds. I'm going to roast it till it's just little bit brown. Not, you don't have to over roast the sesame. After roasting, I'm putting it in the food processor and I'll add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and I will give it a good mix. The tahini is ready. This is known as a tahini, which we will put it in our hummus. After that, I've also taken 2 cloves of garlic, not more than 2 cloves. I've taken 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, which will give a good flavor. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to blend. I'm going to add all the ingredients: the chickpeas, the tahini, the lemon juice. You can see I'm putting the lemon juice. I've also put the tahini paste. As you can see that the hummus is ready. It's so creamy. It has to have this kind of a texture. So please make sure that you blend it in your food processor very well. I have served decorated with some olive oil. I have put some olives also. I have also put some olive oil and I'm going to serve it with pita bread. I hope you enjoy this recipe.